am honored to have been nominated to give the Golden Crown Oration at the upcoming World Congress of FUE Asia to be held in Mumbai, India, January 12th through 14th, 2024. I wish to express my appreciation to the officers of the organization for this recognition. FUE Asia is a young but dynamic and rapidly emerging significant resource in education and support for hair restoration surgeons. I look forward to being part of this meeting. My presentation will consist of 3 parts. In the first part, I will talk about the most important, interesting, and exciting current developments in hair restoration surgery. The second part will focus on 2 concepts that are central to achieving excellence in hair restoration surgery. And the last part will be to talk about 2 projects that I am currently involved with. Thanks again for this honor, and I look forward to seeing you there.